Okay, I gotta talk about SISI. I'm seeing a lot of stuff about it, obviously because it had a big pump rate in here, and then it had a massive dump. So a lot of people are talking about it and thinking this thing can get going. This is a weird one. I get it that it dropped a lot, so it really triggers a lot of people when they get it. And I see this all the time, right? You see these big drops, but not all the time will you see a recovery, right? And this thing actually had a decent recover after this drop. It had 16% gain, and the next one was 11%. I mean, yeah, it had a pretty decent drop. And if we look at the trend channel here, if you go from the top to high here, you can see kind of a shorter term trend channel bounce here. It's going to the upper trend here. I suspect this will hit the EMA 5 very soon. As you can see right here, it's headed to it, but it's just not a trade I personally, with my system that I would have alerted just for all my Discord members and that are watching, and then the people in my YouTube, is because one, we got to look for a lot of things. Yes, we could miss out on a lot of games, but one, we have to look for the ATR4. This is this bottom band. This is where price is your best for buying. And then we got to look for, is the K value low? We are at 21.17 on this big drop. I mean, look for under 10. And then we got to look for time distance. Is there enough time distance to this EMA 5? And the answer was no. We didn't. We just hit the EMA 5 on July 11th, and then July 12th we haven't hit it. And obviously it's taken off. I would look for this trade if it does bounce down to the lows and doesn't hit the EMA 5 in probably 3 days. I would look for that bounce up. So we will see. It just depends on how Sissy goes. If it keeps pumping, then obviously yes, I missed the boat. But yeah, this wasn't weird, man. Look at this trade. The 78 cents all the way up to 4.90. This thing has really kicked up steam here. This thing can really get going. So I could see why everyone's liking this trade, because I mean, look at it. The pumps are insane on this stock. Absolutely insane. And it's been doing it over and over, and that's what really is going to attract the investors. As you can see, we climb up, but obviously it has its dumps, but you can make tons of money on those climbs ups. So yeah, that's Sissy. Really nice thing. I think it's, yeah, honestly, you can make a lot of money. It just for my strategy alone, for the people asking, it just doesn't fit my strategy just yet. If we do get a drop down though, I will keep this on alert, and we'll see from there. Okay, guys. So yeah, that's Sissy for you guys. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, hit the link down below in the YouTube comments. It'll be pinned. You can see my services. I have an over 95% win ratio. I journal all my trades, and you get alerted, with entries and exits and all that. It's going to look like something like this when you come in. All you have to do is head on over to Server Shop, choose the subscription that makes sense. The Day and Swing Trading Plus gives you access to everything. But yeah, I wanted to make a quick video about Sissy, and yeah, I will have it on watch. It just depends on what the action does. I would like to see more towards the lows, and we'll go from there, guys. But yeah, I really like how, if you want a pumping stock, this is the stock that can do it. It's been constantly pumping. I showed you many times in the past, this thing just, when it climbs, it can really climb and hug that ATR4. So, hope to see you guys in the Discord. And thank you all for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys around the block. Peace out. Happy trading.